Need to power dual GPUs but your PSU in shortened connectors? The JND 6-pin to dual 6-pin PCIe splitter is your cost-effective solution. This 8-inch 20cm splitter cable converts a single 6-pin PCIe port into two secure 6-pin outputs. Built with 18 AWG oxygen-free copper and flexible PVC casing, it delivers stable power to multiple graphics cards while resisting wear. The locking connectors snap firmly in place. No external disconnections during intense gaming or rendering. Each pack includes two splitters, perfect for powering dual mid-range GPUs or creating cleaner cable management, avoiding expensive PSU upgrades. With just right 20cm length for neat routing inside your case, this splitter kit helps you maximize your existing power supply. Build smarter today.